Good morning and welcome back to another awesome episode of MMNews. I'm Reese.
And I'm Nicole. We have a lot going on this episode. Like last week's third grade assembly and jokes with Maggie and Harper.
Miss Jessica's book corner with Zara, Xander, and Sophia, and a video about how to keep the lunchroom clean while enjoying your lunch.
We will also reveal last week's Masked Mustang and some clues for this week's. Wow, that's a lot for one episode. I can't wait.
So hold on to your hats because we're flying right over to last week's third grade assembly. Let's roll the clip!
We had an assembly last week, ran by the third graders. They did such a great job.
Let's check it out.
Let's give our Mustangs of the week a big round of applause. Well done. And trying to work on improving our attendance this year. And so I'm going to be randomly, just a day here, a day there, checking class attendance. And today I checked class attendance. There was only one classroom in the entire school that had everybody here on time, and they're all here. Mrs. Overton, come on up.
Do your best to attend school every day.
Let's check it out.
What's your secret sauce?
They are just beautiful kids who were ready to learn. So nice job, everybody. I'm so proud of you.
Well done. Okay, this could be your class. You never know when Mrs. Stoppelmann is going to be checking that attendance.
Our cheerleaders performed an awesome dance for us. Thanks, cheerleaders.
Watch me.
All right, all those apples up high, wiggle them around. On your marks, get set, go!
This was probably my favorite assembly yet. I used the brown streamers for the trunk and the green for the leaves. The rest of the student ran to get apples from the orchard, which was the rest of the school that was holding apples. Everyone had so much fun competing.
Count up how many apples you got. 24!
5th grade with a total of 24 apples. 5th grade worked hard to fill their tree and ended up on top. Thanks 3rd grade for such an action-packed assembly.
That was such a fun assembly.
I know, right? I had a lot of fun.
Hey, Anna,
Yes?
why is Cinderella so bad at soccer?
Why?
Because she kept running away from the ball.
That's really funny. Let's check out some more jokes like that with Maggie and Harper.
Get ready to laugh your socks off with these hilarious jokes.
Maggie and Harper, take it away.
Hi Mustangs, it's me Maggie and Harper. This is the joke box. These are hilarious jokes that will knock your socks off. That's right. Okay, let's get started. Our first joke of the day is, why can't Elsa hold a balloon? Why? Because she'll just let it go. Hilarious! Hilarious! What the heck is going on? The second joke of the day is, why do witches need name tags? Why? To know which witch is which. Remember to put your jokes in the jokes box in Miss Noah's room. Back to you at the studio!
Those jokes were so funny. I'd love to see what kind of jokes you guys put in the joke box. Remember, if you want a chance for your joke to be read aloud on MMNews, put your joke in the joke box in Miss Noel's room. Can't wait to see what other jokes you guys have for us. In other news, Xander, Zara, and Sophia have some new books to recommend to us. Let's see what they have in store for us.
My name is Sophia. My name is Xander.
And my name is Sarah.
And I'm Miss Jessica.
These are some of our book recommendations. Here we've got Dogman. It's really funny.
And here we have The Bad Seed. It's about a seed who's really bad.
This is Alex Rider, and this is about a kid who figures out that his uncle was a spy, and he is now a spy.
Thank you guys for visiting Book Corner and for a wonderful book fair.
Thank you, Xander, Zara, and Sophia for recommending those awesome books.
Yeah, I will definitely be reading those books. They look awesome.
We have a video about how to keep the lunchroom clean while enjoying your lunch.
Yes, it is a very important thing that we could improve on.
Let's make the lunch ladies and janitors' job easier by learning how to pick up after ourselves.
They work very hard to make sure we have good food and a clean cafeteria.
We hope you learned from this video a little more on how to keep the lunchroom clean. Let's roll the clip!
Let's review the lunchtime rules.
You shouldn't bottle flip or do any type of flipping.
Don't throw food in the lunchroom.
No screaming or yelling in the lunchroom. If you ever have any leftover food, you should always use the share cart.
Don't get up until you're excused.
Put your trash in the trash can.
First, the liquid goes in here, the food goes in the green kit, and the garbage goes in the black.
Following these rules makes lunch a better time for everyone.
Wow, that was some good advice to keep the lunchroom clean.
Yes, I will definitely be using some of those tips to make the janitor's job easier.
Yes, we need to keep it clean because this is our school.
We need to take pride in our school. Speaking of pride, we are all proud of our Masked Mustangs.
I wonder who the last one was.
I hope I got it correct.
Can't wait till next week to see who the new Masked Mustang is.
Let's roll the clip.
Hey Mustangs! Welcome back to another episode of Masked Mustang.
I'm Emmy.
And I'm Natalie. We know that you've been waiting to find out who the Masked Mustang is.
But first, we're going to pick 3 names out of this Masked Mustang box.
If we get your name, you'll get an MMNews sticker, a Tootsie Roll, and thanks to Student Council, an ice cream.
Our first person is Kendra, 4th grade, Mr. Zender.
Our second is Alexa, 5th grade, Mr. Good. And then our third one is Vanessa, 6th grade, Miss Davis.
Congratulations, winners! The Masked Mustang was Mrs. P.
The voting box is going to close 10 o'clock on Thursday for Masked Mustang number 4. Make sure to vote soon. Here's clues for the next one.
Their favorite color is blue, and they're 46 years old. Their favorite sport is basketball, and they have 2 dogs. They love hiking in their free time. And their favorite food are tacos. Another activity that they love to do is disc golf. And they recently visited the Oregon coast. Can you guess who it is?
I did not expect Mrs. P to be the Masked Mustang.
I know, right? That was unexpected.
I wonder who the next Masked Mustang for this week will be.
Did you know that this week is Red Ribbon Week?
Make sure to wear your red shirts on Wednesday. Also, poems are due Thursday.
Looking ahead to next week.
Also on October 31st, it's Pink Out Day. Dress head to toe in all pink to support breast cancer awareness.
We will have Pajama Day on Friday, November 3rd.
Pajama Day will also be on a minimum day.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to never miss a new episode. Bye, Mustangs!